Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to find your WordPress login page and sign in. Whether you're just starting your website or coming back to make updates, this video will help you access your dashboard in just a few simple steps. Begin by opening your WordPress website in your preferred browser. You'll start from your site's main homepage, the central hub that connects you to all of WordPress's features and tools. Once your homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login or sign in option. This is your gateway to the WordPress dashboard, where all the behind-the-scenes work happens. Click on the Login option. This will take you to the WordPress authentication portal, the page where you sign in to manage your site. Here, you'll see several ways to log in securely. One of the quickest and most convenient methods is using your Google account. Click on Continue with Google. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Choose the correct account, and WordPress will handle the authentication process for you. This not only saves time, but also enhances your security by relying on Google's trusted sign-in system. Now, once you've signed in, or if you need to locate your login page manually, focus on the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where your website's web address appears. You'll make a small adjustment here to access the exact login page if it's not already visible. Take a look at the current URL. Carefully delete the last part of the address, just the final segment, while keeping the main domain intact. For example, if your site is mywebsite.com/home, remove /home so it only shows mywebsite.com. Next, type in /wplogin.php at the end of your website address. So the full URL should look like mywebsite.com/wplogin.php. Double check that it's spelled correctly, then press enter. Your browser will now redirect you to the official WordPress login page. This is the standard interface where you can enter your username and password to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your password or can't remember your login details, don't worry. On this page, you'll find a Lost Your Password link. Click on it to start the password recovery process. WordPress will guide you through verifying your identity and resetting your password safely. Once you've completed the recovery or login process, you'll have full access to your WordPress dashboard, the control center where you can manage posts, pages, plugins, and all your website settings. By following these steps, you'll always be able to locate and access your WordPress login page quickly and securely, whether you use the Google sign-in method or the direct URL approach. Both ensure that your login process is simple, efficient, and safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress guides, and share it with anyone who might need a quick walkthrough. See you in the next one.